How to download Alight Motion on PC. So if you want to download Alight Motion on PC, then what you need to do is simply go with the search and search for Alight Motion, or simply search for download Alight Motion. Once you've searched for it, now here you will have the official website, which is alightmotionpc.com. Click on that. Once you click on the first website or the first link, it will take you to this kind of interface where you can simply wait for some time till it loads and then scroll down, and here you will have an option of download Alight Motion. Or you can simply go with download BlueStacks, and then you can download your Alight Motion from your BlueStacks. If you have your BlueStacks on your PC, you can download Alight Motion from your BlueStacks. But if you don't have that, then click on download Alight Motion. Once you click on it, it will start the download process. So you can simply go with the upper right, which has that download or the download arrow, and it will start the download process. So once you've downloaded the file, you can double click on it and it will start the installing process. So from here, you'll be able to download the Alight Motion. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.